Welcome. In this video, we'll learn to use a full version of OriginLab software as a free of cost. First of all, we will download this. Just go to Google and type OriginLab Learning Edition. Open the first link. There are two versions. One is OriginPro Learning Edition and other one is student version. We need to download Learning Edition. This learning edition can be used for the 6 months. For downloading this version, we need to provide some information, name. This version can be used if you have a university email ID. Write your university name, department, your email address, university email address, region. You can give any region related to you. Check the terms and condition and then submit. OriginLab sends a verification email once you submit the information here. So just go to your university email inbox, go to the email sent by OriginLab, then open the link for the verification. Now verification is done. Again go to your email ID. One more email is sent by OriginLab. Open this. Now there is one link for downloading the software. Open the link. Now save the file. This is the recent version of OriginLab 2025 and it may take 10 to 15 minutes depending on the internet speed, 722 MB. So it will take some time, just wait. I'll skip this step. This is the software which we have downloaded and it is in compressed folder. So we have to unzip this. Once we unzip, we will have setup file. This is the unzipped folder where the setup file is there. Run this file. Next, accept the agreement. Next, write your name, your organization name. It may be company or your university. This software has automatically detected the serial key. We can check in the email. This one. In case if it is not coming in your PC, then you can copy and paste manually. Next. Yes. Next. Finish. This is the shortcut of the OriginLab. We can directly open this software from here, or we can send this at the desktop, or we can open from the Windows search option. This is the software. Just open this. Okay. Just wait for a few minutes. Now here we have to provide the license key. This also can be obtained from the email sent by OriginLab. This one, just copy and paste there. Activate. Now we are done, and this we can use for 6 months. After 6 months again you can download and install this software. You may use your colleague's email ID. So this is the simple trick to use OriginLab as a free of cost full version. That's all. Thanks for watching.